Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. If you're worried about people zooming into your Instagram profile picture and want to stop it, there isn't a direct option built into the app. However, you can adjust your privacy settings and send a request to Instagram to address this issue. Doing both helps protect your profile better. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Then tap on the three lines from the top right corner to open the menu. Here, scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. Make sure the private account toggle is turned on so only approved followers can see your profile details more closely. After that, go back and scroll down again, then tap on Help. Here, tap on Report a Problem, and once again tap on Report a Problem. Now tap on Include and Continue. In the description box, write your request clearly. For example, kindly enable the feature that stops people from zooming my profile picture for my account. Thanks. Once you've written it, tap Send at the top right corner to submit your report. Finally, go back to the Play Store, search for Instagram, then update the Instagram app to the latest version, since updates often improve privacy and security features. Now your request has been sent, and you've taken the right steps to limit profile picture zooming on your account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.